Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Good morning!
Good morning.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna be doing what we eat throughout the day. So you guys requested it a lot. You guys wanted to see what we eat throughout the whole entire day. So we're gonna show you guys, so come along with us. Plus we're also gonna go to like the zoo. So it'll be kind of like a little all day kind of a thing. Oh, so that's already kind of one of the things that Jordan eats. He always eats fruits in the morning. Baba makes fruits for him in the morning.
Apple.
Oh, there's Crunch Baby. She saw the apple. She wants one too. All right, come along with us, guys. Whoa! Oh. Can you give one to Crunch Baby? Whoa! Is it yummy?
No.
And Crunch Baby gets to eat her tofu and avocado. That looks good. Thank you, Baba. Oh, you're gonna eat that. He loves his fruit. Show him. So typically in the morning, whenever I'm off of work, Jordan wants to have either pancakes or waffles. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Waffles or pancakes? Waffles. Crunch Mom already got everything going.
I think so too.
Look at how cool these little Mickey waffles are. They make individual little ones. We have this little guy here and this guy here. Oh, we're a Disney family.
We're a big Disney family.
And yes, it's an instant batter because it's way faster than making it from scratch. And it actually tastes really good too. All right, let's take a look at these waffles. Whoa.
Mickey waffle and tofu avocado sesame dressing. Say hi, Mike.
Normally, Jordan doesn't put anything on his waffles. He doesn't put syrup. He likes to eat it pretty plain.
But on pancakes, I put everything.
You're right. On pancakes, you like to put syrup, sometimes peanut butter. For the most part, that's pretty simple. So that's breakfast. Now let's move on to lunch.
We're gonna do yukari. For the yukari.
What are we making?
Onigiri.
What is this for?
Bento.
So we're actually making some bentos right now, so look, check it out. We're gonna eat it picnic style over there. Crunch Baby sits right here, she's playing with the floor. Oh no, who did that? Oh, I didn't do that. You take nori or seaweed sheets. We're gonna make a couple more of those guys, and then we're gonna pack it up, and then we're gonna head out to the zoo. We got our bentos in there, some fruit, some wraps, and then we got our snackies. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Whoa! So we're all packed up. We got our lunches, we got snacks, we got Crunch Mom and Crunch Baby over here, and we're getting ready to go, guys. So we're going to go to the, what was it, the OC Zoo? It's the Orange County Zoo or the Irvine Park Zoo. Well, we'll find out when we get there, but we've been there before. I totally forgot the name of the place, but it's a zoo. We're gonna go check it out, guys. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Check it out, we're here. It was the Irvine Regional Park. It's the OC Zoo at the Irvine Regional Park.
Whoa!
Whoa, we made it, guys.
Yeah.
Check out this park.
It's called the OC Park.
So we've been here a couple of times before. We can go picnicking. And so we could picnic out here. There's actually like a lake where you can go rent little boats, paddle boats. Check out his bento. And then look at that's Crunch Baby's bento. So she's got pineapples and sweet potatoes, cheese, and an onigiri. Ooh, that looks good. Nice. Oh, Jordan's eating his too. How is it? Itakimasu.
Itakimasu.
So we're gonna go ahead and eat our lunch right now before we go inside to the zoo. All right, so here's a little sneak peek. This is what we got: rolled wraps or wraps. And then there's our onigiri with different flavorings in there. And there's tamagoyaki, there's sweet potato. And we have like some pineapples. Take a look at those pineapples. Yeah, that looks good. Itakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Bye.
Do you want me to film or you want to
No, we'll do it selfie style. We can do it selfie style. Yeah.
salty stuff?
Yeah. You don't know what a selfie is?
Salty.
Oh. So normally the zoo is pretty open and it's kind of free to walk around by yourself. With everything going on right now, they kind of have like these one-way gates and these rails that kind of guide you through it. And everyone's, you know, respectively staying kind of away from each other. But yeah, we'll give you a little glimpse of everything that's over here. Oh, I think that's just construction. What's in here?
Oh, look how cute it's right there.
Oh, it's laying on the ground. Yeah, he's awake. Look at, he's just gonna lay down. He's so cute. Whoa, check it out, guys. This is the bear exhibit.
Can you see bear? Good job.
Where's the map?
Sam?
Oh, this one's coming.
Mountain lions are a lot larger than I thought they were.
Yeah?
What are these called? Mountain lions.
Hello, Iguana. Look at it. Look at him.
Look at the rattle
Oh yeah,
one.
look at the rattlesnake. That snake. It's really small too, so there's really not too much to see. But it's kind of a nice little place to come during, you know, the weekdays or the weekend and just kind of cruise around a little bit and see the different animals and the enclosures. So back in the day, before all this pandemic happened, there's this area right here that it used to be a petting zoo, and they have goats and sheep and there's like bunnies. And you could actually dispense from, well, it was right here. It was like a little vending machine thing where you put like a quarter in and you could actually get feed the little animals here and do like a little petting zoo thing. But with everything going on, they kind of stopped that, which is understandable. But you can still see all the animals. Check it out. Do you see that? Oh, this is the end of it.
My gosh, I bet you did count 40 parts of the corner.
All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for the zoo. How was it, Jordan?
What were you most excited to see?
All of them.
All of them.
Nice answer.
これから早く電車乗りたい。
Okay, so Jordan wants to ride the train, so we're gonna head over to that way. We'll see you guys there in a little bit. All right, guys, look at Jordan found more sticks.
Yeah.
He's always picking up sticks. But we made it over here. We're gonna go to the railroad tracks right now. We're gonna go ride the train, so let's go.
Yeah.
Wait.
Just gotta go over there.
So that was so cool. Jordan likes that train. We've brought him here ever since he was 1. Crunch Baby's first time here. She had some fun on there. And then they do sanitize it. I didn't get to capture the guy actually sanitizing it, but after every single ride, he's got like this like hose that sprays sanitizer all through the benches. So it sanitizes the whole entire car. So it's super cool, guys. Oh yeah, so out of all those other things, we also do snacks too throughout the day. Jordan's having a snack right now.
I wish you cookie.
Those are one of our favorites.
I'm having these.
Oh, Crunch Mom is having tteokbokki mat almonds. So it's tteokbokki flavored almond. They're pretty good, guys. Make sure you guys go check those out too. So we're gonna head on home. So long story short, we ran out of chicken thigh, but we did have some chicken legs. So I'm gonna break down some chicken legs for our dinner tonight. So you guys will see a little montage of that coming up right now. Crunch Mom will use this to make the dinner tonight, and then I'll use this to make the appetizer.
So just scoop 4 tablespoons of sugar.
大きいの？
小さい。
What? You guys are so... Alright guys, so this is how it is. This is what Jordan just made for dinner.
親子丼。
Oh my goodness, you're already eating a chicken leg. 3 different types of chicken. This is regular lemon pepper, and then this is everything but elote flavor, or yeah. And then there's a beet salad with some microgreens in there, arugula, and some lettuce. We made the lettuce in the garden, so we grew it ourselves. But check it out, this is how we eat. And then Crunch Baby's over here. She was too hungry to wait. We're gonna end the vlog here, guys.
That's what we eat in a day. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh yeah, thank you. Bye-bye, Kaya.
紅生姜ください。